Hello, everyone. Guys, can you hear us?
Yeah, everything is great.
Okay, thank you so much. So I will share my screen, and in 1 second, you also can get to our Mira board. Can you see my screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, welcome to our BA Product Management Days, and today we are going to have fun and game, and let's maybe show us some energy and creative ideas. So welcome. I'm Maria, and I'm product manager. So guys, have a good day. Andrei?
Okay. Hi, everyone. Hope you can hear me.
Yeah, we can.
All right, good. So while Maria is granting permissions to everyone for this Mira board and figuring out the details, I'm going to quickly tell you what's happening. And yeah, hi. Also, I'm Andrii. I'm product manager. Just if you're wondering. The idea of the game is that you all are invited and hired into a company, into a product company, as product managers to build a new product or to enhance existing one. You will have an idea from the CEO.
I will interrupt you, Andrei. Sorry. Guys, you can see this board, but don't move anything, please. Don't touch so far.
Yeah, this is a good point.
Sorry.
We are asking you to not move anything on the board yet. We'll tell you the rules, and then you're going to be able to do whatever is needed. But for now, please just browse around, but don't move stuff on the board. This is important. Thank you. All right, so the idea is that you are hired to develop a product, and you're going to get random ideas, which we found interesting and maybe fun. So we'll find out. And then you will be given challenges, and you will be given budget. So you will open opportunities and blockers, and you as a team will try to find out what exactly will happen to the product, how it's going to look like, and what's it going to be finally. And at the end of the day, you will have 5 minutes to pitch the product to potential investors. It's going to be in iterations, one by one. So you'll open a you'll have an action, then you'll have a driver, something that would boost your product, and then you would also have a blocker, because what is product development without blockers and crazy ideas and anything else? So that's it. We're going to guide you through every step, and we'll try to answer your questions if you have any. And yeah, let's have fun. Sviatoslav, do you have anything to add?
Yeah, guys, again, I need to repeat, please don't move anything on our board. Please, it's not time to game now until we assign you to your teams. Please be patient. Svet.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Slava. I'm lead business analyst in EPAM, future product manager soon, I hope. So I just want to add that the success of the game will depend on your possibility to self-organize. So please keep balance between arguing and standing for your ideas and team cooperation, because these 90 minutes for the game will pass pretty fast. You will even not notice them. So the key to success is keeping the balance. Please do it all the time. But I will be the moderator for one of the groups, so I will help you with that. Listen to Masha. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much. And maybe I need to share my screen again. Actually, we have not enough participants yet, and maybe we need to wait a little bit more. But I need to start with some explanation about this game. Guys, again, don't move, don't touch, don't see this one. So actually what we need to do today, so now we are going to have a small onboarding and Mara access. Please unmute yourself if you need to tell about problem with Mara board. If you don't have any problem, okay. Then we will split into some teams, and yeah, we'll start working in rooms separately. And after that, after your teamwork, we need to pitch your idea, and we will return to our main general channel and we'll pitch it. So how we need to proceed with this game. So the goal, as Andrei mentioned before, is to create, to build some, to, I don't know, brainstorm the coolest product and actually fix it. Because now we are hiring you to our product team, and you need to boost our product, and we need to be more successful on our market, and we hope that you will do it. Okay, how we gonna to play? So we need to read some product context, but again, it will start when we will split into the team. Then you need to go through these action cards and follow instruction. After that, you need to pitch, yeah, to prepare some pitch. Okay, Andrei, who wants to? Evgeny, please. Evgeny, you can unmute.
Yeah, hi guys, sorry. Where the link has been posted to the mirror?
Link to mirror.
Yeah, because I see some people are playing with mirror, but there is no link here.
Yeah, we have no chat, and I see that you need to, so you have another channel, maybe communication channel. I would ask just a second.
Yeah, please, because there is nothing at least established.
I don't know about any other chat yet, so I don't know how to.
Okay.
I can suggest a crazy idea to just have a look at the URL and try to type it, but yeah, just kidding.
Well, actually already done.
Oh, wow.
It's on that platform. So yeah, you can find this link to my board on that platform in chat in that platform, please. Go to that platform. Do you have time? And please don't touch anything.
I have a problem because I'm on a tablet and I cannot get an access to the Miro from this link. So is there Miro?
It should work. Actually, it should work from tablet as well.
I'll try once more.
Okay, so I need to see. Any questions so far, guys? Before we go to our teams.
I guess no questions.
Well,
okay, I will assign now.
So maybe I should leave this game. I'm sorry.
I see that more and more people are joining us. So guys, once again, as a reminder, the links are being posted on the Community Z website. So you have all of that over there to join the session, as well as to find the mirror board. And in the meantime, I guess Mariia is working on splitting us into groups. And Mariia, while we are doing that, you actually might decide to enable the chat in this session if you would like to. So to make it happen, you can go to the security tab and just enable the chat. In this case, we actually can have a communication going on right in the Zoom.
Yeah, good point. So guys, meanwhile, I'm creating this group. So we have two rooms. We have room 1 and room 2, but who will not be assigned to, we are going to work in general channel, okay? Please, who was assigned, join your room. If not, we can stay here. So I would tell your name, and yeah, you will be my team. So Anastasia, Gauss, Konstantin, Shitya, Nata, and Yulia, you will be here with me. Okay. And we can start. Okay, so we can start now. I will share my screen, and you have link, yeah? Everyone has link or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's start our game. So the first step for our game is start. You can see, yeah. You need to read about your product, but before we start our game, I need to have some volunteer from you. Who will be my assistant today? Who want to be assistant and help me?
I can do that.
Kshitya, okay, so thank you. Okay, so the first one, you need to read about your product. So we can open here and read. So Kshitya, you can read it maybe loudly if you want.
Yeah, we provide a place where the foodies can order a dish or make a custom order, and they can be sure that they will receive the order in time, in a high quality, without lose of taste, unconventional delivery.
Okay, and you have budget. You have only $3 to start your career, to build your product. And if you know this product, we can start with actions. Yeah, the first action will be to choose driver. So please, Kshitya, you need to choose any driver from this.
From these actions?
Yeah, no, you need to.
Okay.
Driver.
Okay.
Please choose any randomly. You can open it. So yeah, it's hide. No? Okay, so we have driver, and this driver is. I will copy paste to your area. Second. So please read it.
Government conference is coming. We should create a government community.
So our goal is to create something for this conference, yeah, to make our product attractive, yeah, and it will be our driver. It will be our new maybe strategy, part of strategy. Okay, we have driver, but now we need to choose blocker. So
okay.
Sometimes we have challenges in our work, so we need to choose blocker. Please, again, choose randomly any.
Yeah.
So now you choose something to be like input for our future work. So, okay, you have blocker. You don't allow now to buy any research. So you need to perform 2 actions, and then you will be allowed to buy user feedback or user research results, some insight from your market. Okay, and the third action is choose metric. Again, we need to go to this area and choose one metric. You can start with any.
Okay. Let's go to second.
Okay, guys, you have a problem. Your conversion rate is minus 50, so you need to pay some money, and we need to borrow some money from you. Now your budget is smallest. So, okay, let's go to action number 4. And action number 4 says that we need to pick up technique number 1. Let's see what we have in technique number 1. So you need to do CGM. Do you know what is a CGM? Guys?
I'm not sure about it.
Okay,
Journey
it's
map.
customer journey map, and we have 1. So now, based on this driver, yeah, based on this blocker, based on this product description, you need to imagine and you need to fulfill this customer journey. You can use sticker notes and add anything to any.
Again, missed this study. Why?
Right?
I did not plan to attend this, to be honest. I wanted to attend the digital transformation, but it's not apparently playing.
Right. Went on mute.
I'm sorry.
What question? Again, can you repeat? Okay, so guys, let's do it.
Yep.
Please go. It will be initial version of your customer journey map, and then we need to go to next section, and you can recreate or you can edit it or adjust.
Sorry, maybe I missed. In which area we are working right now? I mean, I know that we need to build customer journey map, but also I heard that we need to drop down some sticky notes.
Yeah, you need to add sticky notes here, for example.
Okay.
Or here. So you have some inputs now, yeah? You have driver, you have another way. So you need to add something based on it to this. And let's do it maybe 5 minutes. And after that, we can go to next action. And maybe after that, we can go to our next cards and our next insights to fulfill everything. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, and chat now is available. And if any, you can also go to this chat. Also, yeah, you can read this information. It was also like from previous research, you have such information and you can provide or propose some opportunities or new solution for it. Guys, you can discuss, you can ask question if needed. And I want to see what our other group doing. So they have another task. They're working on value map, and our third team working on go-to-market strategy now. So exciting. Okay, guys. Do you have any questions? Is it clear for you? Do you have any maybe ideas or insights? Can you share with us your ideas? Guys, if you work in your team, you need to follow instruction of your facilitator, of your organizer. Please don't touch or don't move any object on our board if you don't need to do it. Shagufta, please don't touch, don't move because we don't need to open all cards. We just need to follow these action items. So if we have task to open blocker or to choose metric, then we need to do it. If we don't have such task, we don't need to open anything. And we need to just do, for example, now we are on fourth step. We need to do our technique. We need to use this technique and boost and enhance our product, yeah, and be a rescue team. Don't move anything, please. Shagufta. Okay, team one, do you need extra time? Do you need to brainstorm, or we can go to our next action items? Team one, please unmute yourself. Team one.
Hi.
Hi. Do you need time, or we can go to next action items?
I think we probably need some time because not all of the columns are filled right now. So just a few more minutes.
Got it. Good. And let's discuss if you have any maybe idea and you want to share it with your teammates, you can share it loudly and we can discuss it as well. So please have a discussion as well.
It is good to put opportunities as a feature description mostly, just to save some time instead of, because usually opportunities descriptions much longer than the feature description.
Yeah, we need to define maybe benefits, or something like that. And again, you need to remember your main driver for now, and we need to be prepared to this government community conference. Maybe we need to add some steps to our journey. We need to add some ideas to our journey or so on. So we need to go to this goal, and find some possibilities how we can achieve it and how we can delight our users.
But that's easy actually, because the government community conference, it's an event, and it's almost mostly related to our first stage of our customer journey awareness. So we should focus on promotion, on different ways of promotion to increase the number of leads that we'll have in our system. And we need to find a way how to increase our conversion rate.
And remember, we have another insight, and also, based on another insights, you can fulfill this customer journey map also.
Maria, I have a question on the customized dishes in my order, in the make decision column. Yeah, so here we mentioned here the pain point is not enough info about dish, only cash payment. What's the relevance between these 2 points?
So you need to understand. So we have action. Our customer wants to do something. And we have some steps. On each steps, they need to do some task. Action, it's their task, our customer, our end user task. And they struggling with some difficulties, or they struggling with some challenges. So it's a pain. And can do something to kill this pain. We can suggest some opportunities, or it's our opportunities to improve our product. So if we have this pain, we can improve our product and it will be delightful.
So but not enough info about dish, only cash payment. What does that mean? I mean, what's the relevance? How they're connected with each other, these two statements? The make decision column.
you can add another column if you need.
Okay.
If it's not enough, yeah, you can move and add new step.
Okay.
And also you need to remember that you have not enough in your budget to maybe build something new or to buy user feedback or so on. So yeah, you need to control your budget. Okay, it's lovely stuff and it looks fantastic. Actually, I would say that we need to start with next action, and maybe after that we can again go to this customer journey map and improve it or add something or delete, so you can consider it. Okay?
Yep.
So are you ready to go to action number 5?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, okay, choose driver. Again, KJ, you
Yep.
need to choose some driver, up to you.
Oh my God. Let's choose this one. It's not moving.
Not moving, just a second, maybe on the eye.
Okay.
Okay, guys, congrats. You have +3 in your budget money because your CEO reads the article and he wants to boost your budget.
Cool.
So we can go to our investment and add to you 1, 2, 3. and you can spend it. Reason for it. Okay. Do you want to spend this money on customer research? Do you want to buy anything from here? Guys?
We kind of limited in the research, right? We have to kind of perform 2 actions.
Yeah.
How the block?
Yeah. I was just to buy customer research.
Yeah, but it was 2 actions, and I'm guessing that you done 2 actions, and now you can buy.
Okay. So the writing notes was action, or choosing the driver is action.
Yeah, you can choose any if you want to buy. If you need some insight from your market, from your customer, you can buy this research.
Okay, so what about guys user feedback?
Because you have plus in your budget and you can spend it.
Let's buy one.
And what you want to do? Do you want?
We can buy any item that is marked with a red box. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's start with the first one. I don't know.
Okay, let's go. And the first one, it's a customer. Just
okay.
Copy paste because my board is.
Okay.
So.
Masha, I think you can hide other participants' cursors, and that will a little bit speed up.
Yeah, just a second. So you have this. You have got this customer feedback, and customer has some pain points.
Okay.
You can add it to your customer journey map. So it's about delivery service, and you need to find opportunities, then how to delight this. You can add it now, you can work on it now, or you can go to action 6, what you want to do now.
No, we can add it. Maybe let's go to the item 6.
Yeah, just revisit it.
So what is your next step? Do you want to go to action 6 or you want to work on it? And by the way, I need to move.
It looks like we are reading opportunities or action items that will cover that.
So action item number 6 is pickup technique number 2. So what we have in our technique number 2 is brainstorm ideas. So guys, you have 5 minutes to brainstorm any ideas around. You have now 2 drivers, yeah, and you have this customer feedback, and you can just imagine something here on game board area. So please do it. You can add sticky notes in this area game board, and then you can just add it to your customer journey or not. But let's just imagine what you can do for this.
Okay.
And as always, please discuss it, please do it loudly, and it will be a good teamwork. You are special heroes.
I think that as a product company, we need to offer 15 minutes delivery as a standard and as a part of our offering for our clients, our users. And to achieve that, we need to build a partnership with different delivery services like taxi services, taxi service providers like moto taxis, because during the peak hours with a lot of traffic, motorcycles can still move fast enough. And probably we need to build a partnership with different kitchens. I mean, the different cafes and restaurants where we can drop them our order and they will prepare. So to move production point closer to our customer.
Okay, so the partnership you meant to say. Okay. So there is one point from my side. There are different kind of dishes, so we can have a different kind of delivery services according to the dishes. So a few dishes, they get colder immediately. So we can opt for the taxis or something, as you mentioned, for the faster delivery of those kind of dishes. So we can save the money. We don't have to go for a taxi or something for all the time, for all type of the dishes, it's not needed. So from the cost perspective.
Based on the customer feedback, I'll add that we kind of need to improve packaging, because packaging really defines the taste of the food when it's the delivery food. So high quality packaging, as we are trying to deliver high quality food.
And the tracking of the delivery. So that's very important. So the customer should be aware of where the delivery boy is, and we should also be aware of how the delivery is going. Or if we have to improve, so we can have the kind of, the right information to improve the delivery service. So tracking is important.
And again, guys, if you
also,
yes, sorry, Yulia. If you want to buy something, you can decide and buy. If you need more inputs, if you want to go to next action, you can also open it. So feel free and discuss. Sorry.
Yeah. So
we have four types of money. Maybe let's spend one more and buy.
Yeah. Please feel free. You can open any.
Besides the customer feedback, what else we can buy? I think. Or we can buy only.
You can buy only user feedback now.
Okay. Well, let's buy one more, because.
Yeah.
Okay. What second or third?
Third.
Assistant, please.
Assistant says third. Okay. It's difficult to learn to become a gourmet. So also you need to help your user to become a gourmet.
Okay. Let me just add one point considering the delivery service, because it is not mentioned here what exactly the customer isn't satisfied about. So I thought maybe the delivery man was rude to them, or I don't know, like they wasn't polite. They weren't polite. So maybe we should do some kind of training to the people that are delivering our food. Just I don't know, just prepare a set of phrases for them to say, like, no, like, wish to enjoy your meal, something like that.
Yulia, you're referring to the second feedback?
The first one.
The first one, that delivery service isn't good. So maybe it's about people who work in delivery service.
But we are partnership with the delivery services, right? So they are trained people. If there is one point mentioned here, partnership with the delivery services. So if we're hiring the delivery service, why we have to spend the money on training them or the time on training them? Just a thought.
Probably then we should check if the delivery services fits our needs, because it can be bad delivery service, you know. So it's still our interest to have good delivery people, delivery men.
And polite couriers.
Yeah.
Yep.
Then if we're going to provide a training, then we need a tool that would allow us to track how does this training actually help us, and usually
we can conduct like a feedback session. I mean, like, ask for feedback if the delivery was good or not, and if it was good, then we won't need to spend money on this training.
Usually in the modern world, you see it as a rating system for the order or delivery in the app, and the company uses that information as the average rating, and works only with the best of the best.
Yeah, and do we have an app? Probably not.
Yeah, we have this. It's mentioned in the product. The problem, there is a place, but it's not saying anything like app or web. So we have to
I think for the first time, app may be expensive to develop, so we can just, I don't know, like, conduct feedback calls, like just hire a few people that will call our customers to ask if they like different aspects of the customer journey.
Yeah. So Mariia, we can assume, right? So there is some portal available, or we can just say that, okay, they're calling us and you are placing the order. Can we do some assumption that we have a basic app?
Yes, you can. Your product managers and your product team, you can do anything so far.
So guys, what do you suggest? So we can assume it, we have an app or a portal, like a web app, or just manual, they're calling us?
I would say yes, but if you have any, I don't know, concerns or you need to make more confident, yeah, you need to again follow maybe new actions or choose something again, and you can then discuss, is it okay or not? Just discuss among your teammates. Mm-hmm. But anything you need to, yeah.
I think we can provide the feeling of safety to our customers, and we can offer them usually used trick that if you don't like our food, we will return your money. But usually it means that in exchange for extended feedback that will help us to improve our service.
Let's not return money completely. I think we could just provide a discount for the future order, so that we won't lose the money for the current order.
Yeah, but we'll save on customer research.
Based on the second customer feedback, I think we need to kind of simplify our dishes. We kind of pre-build the ones which will be kind of mostly popular, like simple taste, not something very special and fancy. Kind of create a feeling that it's a kind of ordinary food, not something special. And for for experienced gourmets, we can add some ingredients which need to be unlocked or something like this. So you need to be experienced gourmet before you will taste something or you will buy something, because if you are not experienced, you won't get the pleasure you're supposed to do. What do you think about kind of in a gamification part? Like maybe, I don't know. I don't have anything in my mind which ingredient it might be, but truffle, for example, truffle. Not, I don't know.
No, I think that the second card says that you probably need to conduct more, not for maybe workshops or like degustations where people can come and like try different dishes, learn new tastes, or introduce them to the world of gourmet food dishes, learn new tastes, or introduce them to the world of gourmet food dishes.
Okay.
Yeah, and probably if a new user enters our app and they just don't know what these dishes are, maybe we can implement some kind of like little quick questionnaire where we can, I don't know, just simplify the choosing process for the user. For example, like they want something sweet, or I don't know, like maybe price preferences, something like that.
Yeah, you can provide that in the menu card with the dishes, the information about what exactly it is. Yeah, so it would be convenient for them to choose from that.
And you remember, yeah, your target segment. You need to take into account your target segment as well. So it's about gourmet. Yeah.
Yep.
So do you want to brainstorm now again, or you need to follow these action items and then proceed with brainstorming, or you want to, I don't know, so yeah, to do some action items?
Yeah, let's do one.
Open one, yeah? Open action number 7.
Yes.
Okay. So, and you need to choose blocker. You need to understand that not everything should be smoothly, and sometimes we have blockers in our job. Please, my assistant, Dia,
Okay.
choose blocker. You need to open something.
Yeah, the second one, I can't click on that. The second one.
Okay. Anyway. Second one, yeah? This. So guys, you got email from your CEO and he has good ideas. And do you know what is idea?
Okay. You
can find ideas here, and also you need to choose some assistant or someone who wants to choose CEO idea.
The second one.
Okay. One
first?
Yep.
Okay. So guys, what your CEO wants? He wants to add cooking, streaming, and gamification. So you need to brainstorm something, how you can also add it to your product and what you need to, and why you need to do it.
Oh, we can create a YouTube channel and stream how we cook our dishes, like show what ingredients we use and how we do that.
Yeah, we can also do the Instagram live streaming. Yeah.
We need some famous chef which will present this video in a YouTube channel, and also we should state that the food which we are delivering is according to the recipe of this famous chef. So
yes, so the partnership with the local chefs who can they are like influencer as well. So they can go live and do the live streaming on the YouTube and Instagram, so we can get the viewers and awareness among the people about our food.
Yeah, actually, it's more profitable to have partnership with different chefs instead of the only one, because different chefs will have different techniques, and they will, even with the same products, which actually might be a different topic on our YouTube channel. There are different series of videos where we give them the same set of products, and they cook the same dish, or they cook different dishes with the same products, and like our customers, our viewers can see that with the same products you can cook different dishes, or you can still cook the same dish, but it will taste and look differently depending on how you and what you do with the products.
Yeah, but I would go with the two people. The one is like the famous personality, I mean, at least the local influencer, and the chef. So we can get the more followers, and the more awareness, because the fan following of that particular influencer will also, help us to get more conversion. Because people who don't know about the government, they would not like the chef is talking, that quite a kind of boring for the people. So if we have a glamour along with that, so we would get a more conversion. I mean, the viewers' point of view.
Budget allows that
conversion, but yeah, it will definitely increase number of leads.
Yeah. Yeah, Yulia, you were saying something?
Yeah, I was just, I don't know if we should spend our budget on that, or it's just an idea, because I don't think that will be cheap, like to have two celebrities hired.
No, but the person who is the influencer, who is very much into this kind of dishes, who can help us, he can also get the kind of, this is a win-win situation I was talking about, because he has also the benefit in this. So he would be famous. It's not the person like, topmost Hollywood actor, but the local influencers. So they wanted to be in the limelight, and they always do the reeling kind of, the live streaming. They do all the time. Yeah, so that kind of.
Okay.
Yeah, and speaking of gamification, we probably can make, some achievements to unlock.
Super. Add stickers if you need.
So, like, if you bought from us 10 kilograms of truffles, we'll give you a badge, truffle lover.
Yeah, like a badge for the first order, or now like badge for the some number of orders in a row, like 5 days in a row, for example, or maybe per one order per month. So like you've stayed with us for the whole year, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
We can add some stories on the packaging of the specific food. For example, if I'm ordering some X dish, there should be some story behind it, when it was created, how it was created.
That's
and
nice.
When it already was told. Sorry, maybe I was. Yeah, I mean, That's kind of also gamification. People will be engaged in the stories, and maybe they will be interested to order something else to get the story too.
Yeah, we can also do the cross-sell or cross-sell kind of thing. With the one, you can get the other one, you know, just to boost the selling.
Is it your sticker notes? Do you need to, I don't know, reconsider something, or you want to proceed this action, or you want to buy again user feedback, or it's just enough so far?
Probably let's buy the final one.
Yeah.
Hmm? So guys, we have maybe 20 minutes to proceed with our game, and then we need to go to our next part to pitch. So maybe 15 minutes. Because you need to prepare some pitch and summarize anything you covered today.
So Maria, question on this gamification. So it's a kind of marketing technique, right? So what happens in that? You associate with another gaming company to promote your product, or what exactly?
No. It could be gamification for your customer to involve, to engage your customer, to have a good retention. Yeah. To maybe have some rating among this gourmet, and maybe you need to promote them within your application as well. And if they have this gamification, they will stay with you, and it will be a good retention point as well.
Yeah.
So, do we need to open action number 8?
I think
Are
so.
you ready?
If we have only 15 minutes, then
yeah.
Can we open? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pickup technique number 3. And what we have in our technique number 3, so we need to prioritize our ideas. So yeah, actually we need to understand as a product manager that we have a lot of ideas, but again, we need to prioritize them. You can choose any technique, you know, or you just need to prioritize it by value, by maybe something like, so yeah, it's up to you. You have these ideas, yeah, you brainstorm them. You have ideas also here, and you can prioritize them. Let's have maybe 5 minutes. For prioritization, you just need to move some tickets, let's say to, don't know, or just, I don't know, we can use dot voting if you want, or smiles to vote for ideas. You can put such smiles on cards, and then we can see what is a good idea or not.
Okay.
But use maybe 5 or 3 smiles per person. I know you have 3 votes, for example. Please start voting. You also can vote for these opportunities as well.
No. We have only 3 smiles, right?
Yeah, let's say 3. If needed 5, let's do it 5, but let's start with 3. If you want to have more, let's discuss it. So meanwhile, guys, I will open our action 9 and action 10. So it's our last improvements or last chance to do something. So guys, we'll return to our mail.
And should we also open tips for action 9 and action 10?
Yes, exactly. So if you don't know how to define value proposition or do positioning, we can open these tips. It's free. We don't need to spend any money for it. And offering means that we need to know what we need to propose to our customer and what it will be product or services based on your brainstorming, and positioning why customers should choose you. So, so this question, what you need to pitch, you need to have in your pitching. You need.
Masha, I apologize, we are not done yet. Could you please send us back to
Yes, guys, it was just for 60 minutes, but yeah, we definitely can do it. And by the way, what do you think about this game? Any emotion, any suggestion?
Oh, yeah, it's really interesting. It's like nice simulation. I would compare it with Red Threads by Robert Kiyosaki, because in his game he also like used very basic representation of what is going in the real life. And yeah, probably need some time, a little bit more time, because
yeah, and it's great. And I'm guessing that you have a good team and perfect teammates. Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go. So guys, we can proceed. So do we need to proceed with prioritization, or you done? Have you done?
I think so.
Okay, and then we need to create this offering positioning. So you know now your crucial maybe or key features. Yeah, you can just specify your key features, what you want to do, but you need to remember these goals, our business goals. You need to remember our drivers. Yeah, we need to have this format community. We need to have this streaming gamification. It's our business ideas. It's our viability. But for our customer, we also need to propose something to do and cover these ideas for our customer and make our product desirable. Okay. So what is your crucial ideas? You can, so one person can name it or you can name it together, but one person maybe or 2% can add sticky notes or can add some, I don't know, notes to be used in your pitching. So let's do this pitch.
I can see the higher ratings for the tracking the delivery, high quality packaging, and social media integration. So what do you think, guys?
TJ, can you just add it to sticky notes? Yeah. And you can, so what you have prioritized features, you discuss some opportunities, you discuss these drivers and so on. So you have it. Actually, we can move it here to our pitching area. And
like this?
Yeah.
Okay, you moved it. Okay.
Yeah, no, you can add by own. You can group it or rephrase it or create more information. So yeah, make it usable, make it understandable for your customers. So you will pitch it, and your pitch should be clear for everyone and short, actually. So make it concise and make it like a bullet. Tim, you need to discuss or you need to add by own? Please do it.
Probably we can make, like just join both offering and positioning, because as we can see in the customer journey, there aren't many restaurants with delivery service. So basically what we give is delivery service, and it's a big advantage of ours. And then like, why us? Because our delivery is quick, because our delivery is has high quality packaging, because you can track our delivery. So basically all those features that we voted for, we can state them in positioning, and in offering we just state the fact that we have delivery, unlike other gourmet restaurants. So now, for example, in the quarantine circumstances, we can just like our customers can just try well-cooked meals at home, and while the restaurants are closed, obviously. So just it's quarantine friendly offering.
Yeah, contactless orders and all. Yeah.
Yeah, and probably we should mention that everything is sanitized.
Yeah. But the thing is, I'm just worried about the second point. It is difficult to learn to become gourmet. So that's something we don't have any, we didn't mention anything about it. I don't find any good points.
Actually, you have. I would help you. So you have this cooking streaming and gamification. I would say that if you will stream some interesting, I don't know, cooking tips or so on, so they can understand how to become this gourmet and learn more through this streaming.
Okay.
So guys, you need to create some short pitch statement. Yeah, you need to create to whom, who your target audience, what is your key benefits from your product, and what may be crucial things what you need to highlight for your investors for SEO.
So guys, we are just targeting the gourmet lovers or the foodies overall. What do you think?
I believe food is because we need to involve new customers and to share with them our love to gourmet.
Yeah. So for all the foodies.
So, yeah, for all the foodies, and just to those who are new, we'll provide a YouTube live stream so they can become gourmet lovers.
Okay. So Mariia, we need to make a statement, right? We need to write a statement. Okay. She's already writing. Okay, cool.
So you can specify here your key benefits, for example. You can add sticker notes, or you can just write it like a text. But yeah, definitely need to add some. So our product is, our key benefits is, for our, and so on. So today you are gourmet, yeah? You need to create product for you. and good stuff, you have a budget still.
Guys, help me with the statement, please. So our product is for all the food lovers. Anything else?
I believe like food lovers are our audience, and then like as a key benefit, we can list delivery because we provide that service, and the live stream to, I don't know, to help you, to help customers fall in love with the gourmet. Yeah, so these two are our key benefits, and then as a features, we just list the quality of our delivery, the speed of our delivery, and I don't know, just provide a link to YouTube.
Okay.
Jay, you need to maybe edit, and yeah, I made it
Okay.
separately for whom, yeah, our target audience. And keeping if it's just your product and services, what you can propose to him. Mm-hmm. Faster delivery, but again, you remember that faster delivery, it's okay, but high quality food can be spoiled. So
the
they need
packaging,
to,
another feature.
Yeah, they need to have like protected, not just fast. Mm-hmm. And this guy wants to have some exotic, something new, and high quality standards again. It should be high quality because they are gourmet. Mm-hmm. Good idea. And yes, you need to remember this streaming. Actually, you have this one. You can copy paste it. Guys, any idea who is in silent mode? You can add something, or you have, I don't know, some suggestion, ideas, funny stories. Please share with us. Make our atmosphere.
I would suggest to probably also take that card about the tasting sessions and masterclass, because streaming is it's like it's wonderful,
Yes,
but
yes.
when you can participate during the real action, it's like more involving and gives you like much more experience and more understanding, because some ingredients that you can see in video, you probably might not be able to find in your nearest shop on the market that you know.
Yeah, KJ, we need to add these events, like food events or food, I don't know, parties.
And it's also a way of like collaboration and networking, because like you can meet different people there and you can discuss together how this wine tastes with those oysters, and you can share your experience and your memories about your trips, and that you have tried those excellent oysters the seashore or the French seashore somewhere in Arcachon, for example.
So Mariia is like participate in local government events, right? Like that.
Yeah, it will be good. And yes, they can test it and make some own decision about food or about these dishes.
I mean, not only participate, but also organize some.
Okay. Constant, sorry if I'm not pronouncing properly. If you want to add some key benefits, just update those,
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's do your pitch. Tasty.
Nice picture.
Like a small presentation. Actually, you can add something what you want also. Make it tasty. So yeah, guys, you can be creative and add anything. So it will be good to be presented. So we have maybe 5 minutes and you need to hurry up.
What's left? I mean, it's done, right? The key benefits, we need to write any value proposition, no, right?
Yeah, and why you? Please, you need to answer the question, why you? So you need to do your positioning, why we need to choose you. What is special from you? What is the value of you? Okay?
We should list it as...
Yeah, you need to like have some tagline or boilerplate to make sure that you are good. So it's like a marketing slogan or marketing maybe boilerplate.
Julia, can you help me with the statements? Catchy market lines.
I don't know about catchy, but maybe just some kind of the opportunity to try gourmet meals at home. Something like that.
Okay.
We should underline our experience. So why you? We should state like 50-year experience or something like that. We are like well experienced what we deliver. So some years will really help.
So they can get the restaurant-like experience at their home, the warm food, you know, I mean, whatever warm and the cold food.
So you need to hurry up, guys, and add this positioning to here. And yeah. So why you? What is special from you? What? It could be short, for example, because we change the word, because we, I don't know. So you need to specify something short.
3-star Michelin restaurant in your home or something like that.
Yeah.
Yes. Please edit. You have not enough time.
Just checked Michelin spelling.
Yeah,
or you want to provide some fantastic opportunities or something like that. So in 15 minutes, other guys will join us. Mm-hmm.
What is the name of our product? Do we need to give some name?
Name of Michelin restaurant?
Wait, I'm doing it.
It's a double L.
Just specify that it's, yeah.
Oh, sorry. I deleted something, I think so.
Yeah. 3-star Michelin's food at your doorstep.
Something like this.
Everyone.
Hi, we're back.
Okay. Okay, good. We also done it. So good. So guys, we can start our pitching, and maybe we need to, so before we start pitching, you need to, maybe you can share your insights, share your ideas, share your, I don't know, emotions again, just discuss.
And if you don't mind, let me interrupt you for a second. To be fully honest, we did not finish the pitch as a beautiful image, but we did talk this through. And guys from Team 3, if someone really wants to pitch the product, maybe without the images, but just to tell what it's going to be, what the audience is, and stuff like that, you're very welcome.
Yeah, just now I want to have some small, I don't know, conversation about your feeling, about your mood, and so on. So, and then we can click this spin and to choose who will be first person or first team who will provide this pitch randomly. Okay. So who wants to tell anything about your mood today? What is the morning for you? Okay. Let maybe spin this and let's start our preaching. And we have a winner. And it will be Team Sviatoslav team.
And why am I not surprised?
Okay, guys. Team number 2, you need to present what was your initial idea, yeah, and who will present it, and what you did, what you can propose, what was your result of your work. Do you have a budget for it, or you spent all your money? How it was?
Okay. So let me then present. Okay, so first of all, we didn't finish as well to make it beautiful, but the idea is that we have a conference and we will present our application on the conference to the potential customers. The speech will be quite short and it would be more like an elevator pitch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Shall I first to give you understanding of the background for everyone? What was the task?
Yeah, and actually about your budget as well. I see that we have a free area, and so
yeah, unfortunately we got to the crisis and we lost at the very beginning half of our budget. Yeah, but still. Yeah. So the start was at their cart with a cross-platform application that helps business owners who run stores, cafes, and who wants to control their business and get free from staying at store all the day. Yeah, that's the starting point. We went through the first part. We took some drivers, some bloggers, and so on. We bought two customer feedbacks, and we found out that two main actually pain points are for the customers. The first one is actually not reliable employees, and also potential fraud and schemes with money there. And the second one is just not ability to follow the indicators. They have a lot of data from the business, but they do not know how to convert them to this something meaningful, to some KPIs, and which KPIs to follow. Our idea was to combine, first of all the pain points to their pain relievers features, and also to cover it by their platform that will out of the box provide their user with already predefined setup business processes, at least for the small and middle-sized businesses that will be able to follow those processes. And this should potentially give them their skyrocketing booster at the very beginning to go to the trails. Since we have quite low budget, as we were talking at the very beginning, we decided to go to reseller model. So the idea was to buy their, let's say, partnership with Magento or Shopify to customize the solution on this platform, and then resell the solution on the license-based subscription with a payment by card. So this is overall service at the system as a service model, right? So the user, their customer will not be needed to invest anything into their infrastructure. And since we do care about the legacy and the current infrastructure of the customer, their system will be fully integrated with old POS system. We also do care about the remote control of the system. That's why we prepared their notification module, and we do want to have approval process fully remotely. So their customer or manager or administrator, anyone who is managing this business, will be able to fully remotely control it, approve or disapprove or not approve or disregard some operations and revoke their vote. So, and the speech we prepared actually is at the very bottom, and we supposed that since we got the industry conference card, we will have a great opportunity to advertise our solution, our platform. And then let me just announce it. Do you run your own business, restaurant, or coffee shop? Do you really rely on your employees? Do you really know how much money you can lose because of the unfair or not responsible attitude? According to the latest scientists, this may be up to 35% of your annual income. But are those people the only reasons? What about the health status of your business at given point? Do you really know which indicators you should follow? What if there is a system that would in real time control all the stock movements and payment transactions? It will keep you safe against frauds and provide you with all the main indicators out of the box. You will be able to approve remotely all the operations if needed. And all of these do not require any changes in your current infrastructure. Would you like to have it? Yes, for sure, unless you don't able to count your money.
Thank you so much. It's fire, yeah, and you rock it. And actually, what I would say, so even you have no in your budget now, you have a good monetization program, and you can earn more.
I'm looking for the investors. So if anyone is ready, please vote.
I would say that you have some investors, and we will let you know a little bit later about it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. It's amazing. And next winner will be team number 1. Okay, team number 1. Are you prepared? Are you ready? And you can present but be short, please. We have not enough time. And as you can see, they have budget. Even they got some investment from CEO, and so they have budget. They spend money. So yeah. Team number 1. Who will be presenter? Who wants to present your idea? Who wants to pitch your idea? And let's start with initial idea.
Konsta, wanna go?
Okay. TJ, you can start.
Okay, so the problem is we have
just 5 minutes.
Yeah, so we have a place where foodies can order dish or custom the order. They can be sure that they've received the order on the time, and we need to have some unconventional delivery. So we have this is our product. Can you just go down, please? Yeah. So the key benefits of so we got the couple of feedbacks from the customer, and we worked on that, which is about the delivery service and the difficulty to learn about the gourmet, and this is something about the quality of the product, so quality of the food. So we just came up with a few key benefits what we can offer in our product, which is down below in our pitch. We mentioned it. So first of all, this the pain point of the customer is of the faster delivery, and we are going to provide the solution where we have this faster delivery, where we are going to associate or partnership with the local delivery services who can help us to give the delivery on the time. Then something is related to packaging, because when the food arrives at the doorstep, we don't get the kind of warm or the cool kind of right food on your plate. It's like a kind of if you order something warm, you get a cold, something like that. So we have made sure that we are going to provide the food friendly eco packaging, and there is again something like people are not aware of the gourmet foods, and something that there is a apprehension about what to eat, how to eat. So we are going to give you kind of live streaming with the gourmet chef. So you can just go on our Insta page or YouTube channel, where you will find something that association with the gourmet chefs and the local influencer. They will talk about this food, what kind of benefits of food, and the events which are happening currently in our city. So you can go visit and just enjoy what exactly this journey about the gourmet. And with this gourmet food, we have a kind of again, just imagine you are having this kind of food on your table with the Michelin experience. So yeah, this is the this is all we are. Yeah.
We have 2 minutes. Anyone want to from team 1 want to add something? And which, please. Julia, guys.
Yeah, Constant, you want to talk more about our product?
What should I add? I mean, you have spoken a lot, so we are the best in the city. So if you want real good food, order us.
Yeah, and also you will find your favorite nutritionist or the influencers which you follow on Instagram. They would be on our YouTube channel and, you know, presenting our awesome gourmet food. So just go and watch.
Yeah, right.
Super. So thank you so much. And we need to go to our team number 3. Let's go and see what they have. And what about
guys, who's willing to present?
Yeah, we need to have some volunteer who want to present your idea. Anyone?
Kate, Vlad. Just following the same pattern.
It seems to be Andrii should tell about this product.
Oh no.
Anyone, guys?
Don't be afraid. We do not bite.
Yeah.
Katerina.
I may try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's.
So our product is focusing on parents who would like their children to develop some special skills and maybe improve their potential, their marks at school now. So we have some budget left and we spent a lot on the customer research. So that's why I can say that our product is very user driven and we know what we are doing and how to satisfy the needs of our customers. So with this product, we want to help parents to improve the skills of their children and maybe develop something new. As I said before, and it's kind of related with our vision, that is that we want all children to be happy, healthy, and to reach their potential. Yeah, as I said before, our market is parents, and we are focused on US and Canada. So our customers had a lot of challenges because they don't have enough time to develop their children. They don't know what their children are doing after school. So that's why we came up with some conclusion to provide the children's with the applications where they can explore new things, learn, get feedbacks from the real teachers, to explore the content that is developed by a lot of different contributors, which is approved by our moderator and of course parents, because previously we had a feedback that parents may not have the access to the information. So that's why we provide the parents with the possibility to explore the course and then approve if they want their child to learn with us. We have a lot of partners, museums, parks, where we can place our product and inform about ourselves. Also, we have partnership with school who will moderate, approve maybe some of the content and also contribute to our content. And what is the most important that before
Using the application, we will provide a child with the test where we can evaluate the talents, some maybe hidden potential, and then we will track the progress of the kid and to inspire him or her to learn more. We will provide some rewards which are also shareable via social media, so there will be some kind of competition between children in terms of their educational achievements. And yeah, basically that's it.
Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, we have actually 5 minutes to discuss. If you want, you can ask questions each other, you can share some thoughts, you can share some, you know, ideas, insights. And thank you so much for such funny stories, for such interesting products in actually, I don't know, 1 hour. So it was 1 hour to work, and yeah, good result. Any discussion, any question, any suggestion, any insights, please share. It could be valuable for us. And yeah, you can ask a question each other, or yeah. It's time
for the future games, I will prefer to have the opportunity to spend money in many cases. We were able to just buy the user feedback. Our team had a lot of money, and we weren't able to spend it, or there should be some risk to lose it. And actually there was, the first one of the boxes forced us to lose $1 of the dollars. So
charity to the second team is always appreciated.
Yeah, why not? Even in the future possibility to share the money.
Yeah, and it would be also great if we can just like buy features that we can implement or cannot implement.
Exactly.
So basically, we will understand what we can develop and what should be developed in the next phases.
Yeah, it's for prioritization. We just use like variable, but we can use value and versus effort. And yeah, you need to understand your capabilities and your money. Okay, it's good. And yeah, actually, they was lucky and they got this investment from the CEO and 3 additional money packages he got. So yeah,
same happened to team 3 actually. So money wasn't a problem, and there were no points where the money would have been lost. So yeah, it turns out 2 teams just got lucky, and the second team wasn't.
Good for you. We actually lost money in the very beginning of our game, but we were lucky to pull the cards with the integration and the industry conference coming. So actually that gave us opportunity and benefits comparing to our competitors on the market. Otherwise, we would have lost the game.
Nevertheless, you have only, let's say, 1 hour, yeah, and you have a fully completed idea and even business model, and you have a lot of ideas. You brainstorm, you find some solutions, so it's good, and you can pitch it as well.
Yes, actually, we have considered all the blockers and all the opportunities we had. And
So good, guys. And thank you so much. Thank you for this fun. Thank you for this game. And let's see, maybe we can proceed in future and make it more maybe complex. And yeah, real game again.
Don't be too strict with your judgment. It was the first run of this game. We did our best in the conditions possible. So we do hope you had fun.
Yeah, we have actually limited time again, so we have strict deadline. So That's why we don't add more information. So actually we can do, or we can add more blockers, drivers, and so on. So, but yeah, we just let you try it and spend your valuable time, because we are working and we are busy. So.
And I believe this exercise gives the flavor of what product manager does on day-to-day basis. So just imagine that all this stuff you've been doing, like creating proposition whatsoever, you spend more than 90 minutes on all of that, definitely. So this is just to have the idea and flavor of what it is to be product manager and what you have to deal with.
Yeah, and you can see you did different technique, you used different technique, and you did different artifacts. So it was also the idea to allow you to be different. So thank you so much, guys. It was really nice, and yeah, it's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks
It was
for having
fun.
us.